Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool that can convert any text to the video. And this tool name is Vidu AI. This tool have an amazing template also. As you can see here, all these template you can use. You just need to upload one image and that AI tool convert your image according to template. So you can use all these templates. So let me show you how you can use it step by step. So here we go. So here's this type here, Vidu AI, and just open that website vidu.com, and we just need to log in into this platform. So let's click on try Vidu, and I have logged in. You can see in the left side you'll find here the apps, so you can download the apps from the Play Store or the App Store. So now I'm going to use here the web view. So as you can see here, they have multiple options like reference to video, image to video, text to video, AI sound effects, and some templates also. Once you click on templates, you can see they have a lot of templates making a balloon to me. They have some more templates like hug, take me, and lot more. So you can use these templates. So let's see how that overall tool works. So first of all, let's try to text to video. Okay. So click on this, and here, let me just write some prompt. Just paste any prompt as like an astronaut walking a strange alien planet during the sunset. Okay. And I have added here, you can see this is the main object. Okay. Astronaut is our object. And here you can see we have added the scene is like walking and a planet. And then we are adding here the quality is like the 4K quality we needed and with a sci-fi look and feel. Okay. Now we have combined three things here. Okay. Now let me just choose here the options like general. I'm going to make it a 5 second 1080, and I'm going to just make it 16 by 9, and let's click on the create button. And let's wait some seconds, and that will generate a video for us. And you can see this AI tool created amazing, fantastic video. You can see this is the video. This is really a fantastic video. As you can see, an astronaut is walking and a sky, some stars. There are a lot of things in detail. This is really cool. Now let's try the another tool. Okay, go to the home, and we've tried text to video. Let's try now image to video. Let's click on it. Now we need to upload an image. So let's click on the upload image here. I have that one image. Like just write this prompt here, like an anime girl under cherry blossom. Okay. So let's try this tool convert that image to the video. Okay. So I'm going to just make all the thing as it is, and let's click on the create now. Oh, fantastic. He created a video. As you can see here, this is really awesome. You can see this is the video he created from that image. That's really fantastic. So let's try the another tool. Now let's try the reference to videos. Now we can add multiple images here, and we can write a simple prompt to create a simple story from our images. So how we can do this? So I'm going to just click on the image option, and I'm going to just upload one cat image here. You can see that the cat. Let's upload this and click on the add one more image. So I'm going to add one, and I'm going to add one dog image here. Okay, so I have these two images here. Okay, I'm going to write a simple prompt here. So like a cat and dog explore a peaceful village and together playing, resting, and showing the beauty of unlikely friendship. Okay, now let's scroll down. You can see we have options. You can create in a real format or this 69 format. So I'm going to just make it this format, and let's click on create. Now you can see this one is creating here. Fantastic. You can see the same dog and images. Here's one village, garden, and you can see their friends if we can see. That created the videos in detail. This is really awesome, right? Now let's go to the home. Now you can see in the left side, you will find the templates option. So let's click on it. Now you can see they have a multiple templates. You can see the orbit, animate me. You can see the nap me is like this. Like you need to just upload the images, and that will create a video for you. Like there are a lot of videos you can create using this tool. Okay, so let me just try that hug one. Okay, so let's click on this. So I just need to upload one image here with 2 person. Okay, so let's click on the upload image, and I have that image. As you can see here, this 2 person I have. Let me just upload this image here, and let's see how that will generate a video from that image. Now let's click on the create option and just wait some seconds. I can see this generated. Wow, Fantastic. This is really an awesome video you generated. So you can upload the images and you can generate a lot more videos. So they have a multiple templates so you can use all of them. Okay. Now, this one option is like go to the home. This option like AI sound effect. So just click on it or you can generate any sound. So I generated that mysterious space hum sound. Okay, like this. Let me just show you like this one. So I can include that sound in my previous video that I generated of astronaut. Okay, so let me show you how that will totally look. As you can see this video has the space sound here and I just added that sound in my video that I generated with Video AI. This look as a movie. You can create an entire movie with this tool. This is really awesome. So they have the subscription plan. So that plan starts from free. So you can use that tool free of cost. But when you choose the other plans like a standard, premium or ultimate, so you can create more videos. Like when you choose the standard plan, so you will get 800 credits or you can create up to 200 videos. This is really cool. So you can choose according to your requirement. So this is the really amazing AI tool. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.